Hey guys, welcome back. Or if you're new, hi. My name's Amber. I wanted to show you guys how to take a paper pattern, make it a more permanent pattern, and not have to worry about losing your paper, because paper, as we all know, doesn't last very long. And since this is a diaper pattern for cloth diapers, I wanted to make sure that it was going to last a while. So what this is this is tracing pattern paper. Not paper, fabric. So it's actually a fabric. It has grids. You can see it's kind of see-through, but not quite. It's actually thick enough. And it's nice because it lasts a long time. So you can reuse it and reuse it and reuse it and not have to worry about losing your paper or, ruining your paper. And if this dies, you can just come back and retrace it. All right, still centered. All right, so this says place on fold. So since it says place on fold, I'm gonna go ahead and start that right there. Now this fabric is nice because it's transparent enough that I can see what I'm tracing. It is tracing fabric. So I can see all my little lines that I need to trace, and I can make sure that I'm where I wanna be. And I can write all over it. Just to give you an idea, this is a regular red pen. You can see it fine. This is a pencil. Of course, it's an old eraser. Probably don't want to erase, but you get the idea. You can write on this and it stays. And what I'll do later is, after I am done with the initial tracing and cutting, I will go through and take a permanent marker and put thicker lines where I need them. Like I'll probably put a black line there and a black line there. So you can do whatever you want, but put a piece of cardboard underneath it because the permanent marker will bleed through. Okay, so here we go. I am on the line. And I should have grabbed some weights, but I didn't. Oh well. Okay, so I'm going to go over my solid lines. Oops. Now if you look, I did take this corner and I lined it up on the corner, so that's less stuff I have to deal with later. Although I do need to trim this down. The other nice thing about this is you don't have to have chalk, which I've seen videos recently because I've been studying how to make cloth diapers because I had a son. He's 11 weeks old tomorrow. And I want to make sure that I have plenty of diapers for him, especially since he's already 16 pounds. And I would really like to make sure that I have diapers that fit him when he hits, before he potty trains. Okay. Kind of missed on that one. Okay, so there we go. Let me get this other green line that's over here just so I have it. And my dotted lines. So you kind of get the idea. You can see exactly where you're going with this stuff. I think this stuff's $2 a yard at Joann's. If you don't have a Joann's, I'm sure you have a fabric store nearby or online. And the beauty of that is that you can buy it by the yard. I just say Joann's because I can stack coupons. And if you're anything like me, you are a master of stacking coupons. I get them in my email and the app, and I screenshot them, and then I just swipe through them when I'm at the register, so I'm not annoying to everybody behind me. Okay, so there's a dot, 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 there's a line. Oh, maybe that was just a box. Loop tape. Oh, if I wanted to put Velcro, that's what that's for. I'll draw it on there, what the heck. Now, normally I would use a ruler. I probably will when I go over it with a pen, just because I'm OCD. And that's a line. So you can put pattern weights on this, or you can just move it around as you need to. Just make sure it lines back up. Okay, so there's my other dotted line. There's a star here, there's a star here. There was a symbol, I don't know. So I'll figure that out. There's a dot there, a dot there. Oh, another there. There's more Velcro markings. Another Velcro marking. And my dashes. And my star. All right, and then I think there's a line over here. All right, let's see, did I get everything? I got that line, I got my Velcro. Oh, I missed that, and a star up there. So let's get that. Oh, it moved. And this is a zigzag. All right. I think I got all that. I got all that. I got that line. Oh, I missed a snap there. Let me make sure everything's lined back up. Put my snap there. And I got my lines. All right, so that is how you transfer. To tracing paper. So I'll go out through and I'll cut all this, and then I'll write all these instructions on there by hand, and I'll have that one. And then I'll come through and I will do the same. Of course, I accidentally did that for the medium one, and I wanted to do it for the large one, so I'm actually going to redo it for the large one. That's what's going to happen, but you get the idea. And then I'll do it for my soakers. So this is the Babyville Cloth Diapers Made Easy Babyville Boutique. This was at Joann's also. I also used a coupon for it. It comes with all the instructions. So I am hoping I'm going to do a trial run of a diaper today on regular fabric before I start wasting the polyurethane laminate, also known as pool, because I don't want to waste it. So there you have it. You get the idea, and I hope this helps you save your paper patterns. Thanks for spending your time with me. Have a good one. Hey guys. Okay, so I know I said I was done, but I wanted to come back and show you what it looks like all done. So I used a ruler to clean everything up. I used permanent marker to make it solid and visible. I used plastic wrapped Cricut sheet because that's what was within reach, so I didn't do any damage to my Cricut board. But as you can see, it does bleed through, and it even bled through 2 layers. So here we go. I cut it out. I marked everything. And now I have my pattern. And as you can see, even my marks kind of transferred through. I can go back through and add to those if I want to. I actually don't think I'm going to because, 1, it's not the size that I wanted. And 2, I can still see what I'm doing, so I'm happy with that. But it's all dependent upon your level of OCD. But if you look, I went ahead and marked everything I see red better off of white, so I went ahead and wrote in red. This is my loop tape. It says that everything's been transferred. Okay, everything's been transferred so that I can see it. The name of it, what it is, what my black line is, what my green line is. So edge is full fit, trim fit is this line here. So I gave it notations that I understand. You can do that for yourself, or you can just go ahead and put it as they put it. I'm a rebel. So anyways, there you have it. That's what it looks like finished. And when I go to make a diaper, then I'm good to go. But like I said, I goofed. I am going to go ahead and redo it on this one. And then to show you, there's my cutout. I'm probably going to make a straight line straight across here, all the way down. And then I will use these for my soaker pads. Because my pattern also came with a second page. And the second page has like matter soaker, medium soaker, a newborn diaper cover is over here. Here's my key. But since I wrote in all my notes, then I am good to go. And I can always come back and reference the paper if I miss something. So there's a small one. Anyways, I hope that helped you, and I hope it makes sense. But I'm just glad I don't have to cut this, and I get to use this as many times as I want. And I didn't damage it by using a pencil. And this will be used many, many times. Okay, let's try this again. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by.